Just like it did the first time. You see, the pain is reminding a fuck machine what it was once like to be a virgin. Hence, like a virgin.
When it was big, I must have heard it a million trillion fucking times. But this is the first time I ever realized that the girl singing the song is the one who shot Andy.
Wait, I mean, you didn't know that Vicki Lawrence was the one who shot Andy?
I thought it was the cheating wife shot Andy.
Yeah, but they said that at the end of the song.
Yeah, I know, motherfucker. I just heard it. That's what I'm talking about.
You call me motherfucker.
I must have zoned out during that part before.
All right. I'll take care of the check. You guys can get the tip. Should be about $1 apiece. And you, when I come back, I want my book.
Sorry, it's my book now.
Hey, I changed my mind.
Cancel that shit.
There are gonna be cops here waiting for us, man. There are gonna be cops coming here right now.
Move it! Get out of the way! Get the fuck out of the way! Fuck out of the way! Move it! Get out of the way! Jesus Christ, what the fuck is your problem, man? Fucking asshole! Fuck her! Get the fuck out!
Hold the diamonds and... No way. Make yourself sure.
Wait. You didn't tell him your name, did you?
I told him my first name and where I was from.
Why?
I told him where I was from a few days ago. It was just a natural conversation.
What was telling him your name when you weren't supposed to?
He asked.
You wanna fuck with me? I'll show you who you're fucking with.
You wanna shoot me, you little piece of shit? Go ahead, take a shot.
Fuck you, White. I didn't create this situation. I'm dealing with it. You're acting like a first-year fucking thief. I'm acting like a professional. They get him, they could get you. They get you, they get closer to me, and that can't happen. And you're looking at me like it's my fault? I didn't tell him my name. I didn't tell him where I was from. Shit, 15 minutes ago, you almost told me your name. Your buddy there is stuck in a situation you created. So if you want to throw bad looks away, throw him at a mirror.
You kids shouldn't play so rough. Somebody's gonna start crying.
It's the blood. Hey, we still gotta get out of here, you know.
No. We're gonna stick around, we're gonna wait. What for, the cops? No, nice guy Eddie.
Nice guy, Eddie?
Yeah.
What makes you think he isn't on a plane right now, halfway to Costa Rica?
Because I spoke to him on the phone and he said he's on the way down here. You talked to nice guy?
Jesus Christ.
Maybe that boy in blue here can answer some of these questions about this.
You thought I didn't see you now, didn't you?
Hey, Doc, we got a major situation.
You fucking know.
What in the Sam Hill's going on here?
You're asking
Hey,
what's going on?
nice guy, we got a cop.
Don't stop!
You all through?
Please, look, I got a little kid wrong now, please.
You all done?
Don't!
That's the fire, scare.
Don't! What? Don't!
You gotta remember are the details. It's the details that sell your story. Now, this particular story takes place in a men's room.
Well, now the fucking time. I couldn't even run a fucking tape without 6 fucking phone calls interrupting me. Hey, when's the next time you're getting some? Motherfucker, I'm trying to watch The Lost Boys, you know? When I get some, I'll let you... pussy out of me now. They don't know. They don't know shit. You're not gonna get hurt. You're fucking Beretta. They believe every fucking word because you're super cool.
There goes our boy. I swear, guy has to have rocks in his head the size of Gibraltar to work undercover. You want one of these? Yeah, give me the bear claw.
Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga. I can't stop this feeling.
Hey, I know what I'm talking about, okay? Black women ain't the same as white women.
There's a slight difference.
Very funny. You know what I mean. What a white bitch will put up with, a black bitch wouldn't.
I stand outside and guard the door. I don't let anybody go in or go out.
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown waits in the car. He's parked across the street. It's like in the signal, then he pulls up in front of the store.
Mr. Blonde and Mr. Blue.
Crowd control. They handle customers and employees.
Got blind, man. I'm fucking blind.
You're not blind. You just got blood in your eyes, all right?
Is he dead? Did he die or not? Let's go.
Officer was gonna burn him alive.
This cop?
No.
He went crazy? Something like that? Worse or better?
Joe, you're making a terrible mistake I'm not gonna let you make.
Come on, guys. Nobody wants this. We're supposed to be fucking professionals.
All right, look. It's been quite a long time. A lot of jobs.
Dead!
Drop the fucking gun, buddy! Now! Put the gun down! Don't do it! Drop the gun, man! Don't drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! I'm gonna fucking blow you away!